have to get there on time. Please wait for me. Milo, you have to come see. The flowers in the meadow are finally blooming. They are huge and smell like candy. Let's go. I'm so glad we're going to the workshop today. Me too, Milo. Quack, quack. Wow, look at that giant red slide. You can do this, Ducky.
Milo looks through his magnifying glass. Aha, this bolt looks wobbly. He takes out his tiny wrench. Turn, 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 nice and tight. Nice and tight. Up the ladder, down the slide. We squeak, still squeaking. That's one silly slide. That's one silly slide. That's one silly slide. Milo thinks hard, 2 tries. Time to look extra closely. Milo shines his magnifying glass right on the joint. Do you see it? Something small, something round, something snoozy. A snail, a sleepy snail is snoring. Every time Ducky slides, the joint presses a shell squeak. Did you spot the snail? Great job, super spotter. We can't bump him awake. We can't bump him away. Milo finds a soft leaf and curls it. Slowly, gently. He lifts the sleepy snail and tucks him in under the daisy. Sweet dreams, little snail. Then Milo brushes his joint clean and adds one tiny drop of oil. Okay, Ducky, the big test, set, slide. Ducky zooms down. Whee! No squeak, not even a tiny one. Whee! You fixed it.
We did
You
it!
fixed it.
Yes, we did!
You helped me look, think, and try. And guess who else helped? You did. You spotted the clue.
First we look with our eyes.
Look,
Then
look,
we
look
think
with
our
your
heads.
eyes so bright.
First we look
Think,
with our
think,
eyes.
think
Then
till
we
the
think with our
idea's right.
heads.
Try, try, try. And if it goes wrong, try again all day long. Who can fix it? Milo can. Who can fix it? Milo can's the plan.
That's the plan!
What a fixing day. Look, think, try. Every tool in its place. Snap.
Goodbye! Bye-bye!
But wait, what's that sound? Boy,